afternoon to all dear my students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, taking care of yourself and your family. Welcome to our school, Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School, Kamshet. Today we will start our chapter number 7, that is topic Swarajya, first conquest. Standard 4th and subject is EVS part 2. So it was no doubt true that Shivaji and his comrades, his friends, took the oath of Swarajya in the temple of Raireshwar. In the temple of Raireshwar, they had taken the oath of the Swarajya. But it was a very difficult task. Maharashtra was governed by 4 different powers: the Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, the Portuguese of Goa, and the Siddhi of Janjira. They were powerful opponents, firm in their authority. They are powerful opposers in their authority. No one will dare utter a word against them. No one can defeat them. Under this difficult condition, Shivaji had taken the oath of the Swarajya. There was no comparison between the vast force of the enemy and the handful Shivaji's Maulas. There was no comparison between them, because they were two in their army. So many peoples were there, but in the Shivaji Maharaj, so many less peoples was there. But Shivaji's mind was made up, and his firm resolve was his greatest source of strength. Torna Fort. Shivaji controlled the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakan and Indapur. All the forts in the Jagir were in the charge of officers from the court of Bijapur. Swarajya without the control of fort was meaningless. Means Swarajya without control of the fort पे control नहीं है तो Swarajya will be meaningless. A hill fort gave strategic support to the ruler, and Shivaji decided to capture one at a suitable time. तो फिर Shivaji Maharaj has decided to capture fort. He selected the fort of Torna. Torna fort stands to the southwest of Pune in a Kannad valley. It was a renowned fort, well suited for defense, with 2 strong machis, Zunjar Machi and Budla Machi. The only access to the fort was across the Zunjar Machi. Torna was considered one of the strong forts of Maharashtra. Torna was the strong fort of Maharashtra. In the fort there is a temple of the goddess Toranjai. वहाँ पे Toranjai goddess का temple था. This powerful fort called Torna. This powerful fort was neglected by Adil Shah. It was neglected by Adil Shah. Shivaji decided to capture the fort and thus the lay foundation of Hindavi Swarajya. The drums of Swarajya began to sound. With a few selected bands of Maulas, Shivaji descended into the Kannad valley. Shivaji went to the Kannad valley. Captured the strategic position in the fort. Tanaji Malusre hosted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Tanaji Malusre has hosted the Maratha flag. And everyone has started the speaking Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. And that fort renamed as Prachandagad. Next, blessing of goddess Bhavani. Fort Torna then come under the Shivaji's administration. As Shivaji Maharaj achieved the Torna fort, it has came under the Shivaji's administration. Shivaji appointed officers such as a Maratha Killedar and a Brahmin Sabnis and a Prabhu Karkhanis he has appointed that officers on the Torna fort. The garrison included Maulas, Kolis, Ramoshis, Mahars, and such a brave men from other castes and communities. As repairs the fort started, to their surprise, they discovered 4 metal pots filled with the brim with mohors. The 4 metal pots they found on the Torna fort. The workers were overjoyed and said that this was a gift to Shivaji from the goddess Bhavani, who had blessed his efforts. The workers feel that with happiness they feel that it is the goddess Bhavani blessings on Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji felt that he was working under the benevolent eye of the goddess Bhavani. He is under the eyes of the goddess Bhavani. Shivaji utilized part of the treasure found in the fort to purchase arms and ammunition. The rest he decided to use for another project which was already in his mind. About 15 kilometers to the east of Torna is hill Murumdev. This hill was steep and difficult to access and of great strategic importance. Adil Shah has started constructing there, but it has not completed that work. So this hill was also not guarded by his guardians. So Shivaji Maharaj has decided to capture it. Here we are stopping now. Thank you so much everyone. Take care of yourself.